When Apple leaks, the internet listens. And this time, it's about something small, silent, and shockingly powerful. The next generation Mac Mini M5 has just been spotted in Apple's internal testing, and the details are insane. We're talking next-level performance, a 3nm M5 chip, and upgrades that could turn this compact desktop into a true creative powerhouse. But here's where it gets wild. This isn't just a simple spec bump. The M5 Mac Mini might completely redefine what a small form-factor Mac can do, bridging the gap between the entry-level Mini and Apple's Pro desktop lineup. In today's video, we're diving deep into the biggest leaks, the rumored release date. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Benchmark expectations, and why Apple's next move could change the future of desktop computing forever. So, whether you're a creator, a developer, or just someone who loves powerful tech in a tiny package, buckle up, because what's coming with the Mac Mini M5 is far beyond what anyone expected. When Apple announced the upcoming Mac Mini M5 release, rumors flooded the internet. Some expected a modest tweak to the already capable M4 version, others hoped for bold design changes or upgraded ports. But what we're about to uncover is far beyond an incremental update. Leaks suggest this tiny powerhouse could usher in a new era for desktop Macs. According to multiple reliable sources, the Mac Mini M5, codenamed J873S/J873G in internal Apple documentation, is currently undergoing internal testing alongside its bigger sibling the Mac Studio. It is expected to carry the next-generation Apple Silicon M5 chip, built on TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm process, which delivers substantial boosts in CPU, GPU, and neural performance compared to the previous M4 series. What makes this iteration so surprising isn't just the chip upgrade, it's the timing, the context, and the implications. Leaks indicate the Mac Mini M5 could arrive either late 2025 or mid-2026, depending on Apple's production and roadmap adjustments. While the current Mac Mini M4 was only released in October 2024 with a refreshed smaller footprint, port layout changes, and enhanced memory options, the M5 model is expected to retain the same industrial design, focusing instead on internal enhancements. More efficient cooling, higher memory bandwidth, around 153 GB/s according to early reports. Improved AI or ML workflows, and maybe even increased support for external displays and GPUs. For the average user, why should this matter? Because the Mac Mini has long occupied a sweet spot in Apple's lineup. Compact size, excellent power efficiency, and versatility that appeals to developers, creative professionals, and even home theater nerds. With the M5 upgrade, this modest box suddenly has the potential to handle far more intensive tasks: real-time video editing, machine learning inference, 4K per 8K workflows, and multi-monitor setups, all at lower power and perhaps lower noise. Imagine a plug-and-play desktop that doesn't compromise, wrapped in the form factor of the Mac Mini. Now let's dive a bit deeper into the technical shifts the M5 chip introduces. Early benchmarks for the base M5, not specifically in the Mac Mini but in devices like the MacBook Pro, show around a 20% uplift in multi-core performance over the M4. The neural engine and GPU gains are rumored to be even higher when it comes to specific workload acceleration. So when that kind of silicon